Another fine vehicle offered by Friendly Chevrolet.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. Whether hauling, commuting, or towing, this truck is the right one for you. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a power driver's seat, a dual-zone climate control system, commercial-free satellite radio, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 51,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Friendly Chevrolet is located at 2754 North Stemmons in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations so that you'll return for future visits.